I don't think you really know. Are you sure, Cora? If you really like Vegemite, you really are an Aussie child, aren't you? No kidding around, she says.
What are you having, Cora?
Oh, this Vegemite. Oh, this Vegemite.
Do you like the Vegemite?
Yeah, I like the Vegemite. We're taking bites of it.
Does Mom like Vegemite?
Yeah.
No.
Does
Yeah.
Dad like Vegemite?
Yes.
Daddy likes Vegemite.
Yes.
Does Cora like Vegemite?
Yes. Okay. Vegemite. Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah, I did get that. Now this is voice. We'll have a bite. Now we'll have one voice. Now we need to take a bite. Wait. When other take a bite, when other take a bite, we'll take a bite of it.
What are you having a bite of?
I'm having Vegemite.